Pantone Colors, how to use Pantone Color Palettes for print. Using Pantone Color Palettes for print is all about precision, consistency, and control. Whether you're designing packaging, logos, or marketing materials, here's a complete guide to getting the most out of Pantone Colors. 1. Understand why Pantone matters. Pantone uses premixed spot colors, unlike CMYK which blends inks during printing. Ensures color consistency across printers, locations, and materials. Ideal for branding, packaging, and anything requiring exact color reproduction. 2. Choose the right Pantone guide. Each guide serves a different purpose. Tip: use Color Bridge to preview how Pantone colors will look when printed in CMYK. 3. Match colors to your print material. Colors can shift depending on paper type, coated versus uncoated. Always test on the actual substrate. Bring a sample of your paper to the print shop for accurate matching. 4. Use natural lighting when selecting colors. Pantone guides are best viewed in natural daylight. Avoid artificial lighting, which can distort perception. 5. Update your Pantone books regularly. Colors fade over time. New shades are added each year. An outdated guide can lead to mismatches. 6. Use design software smartly. In Photoshop or Illustrator, access Pantone via color libraries. Choose the correct book, example solid coated versus uncoated. Adobe now requires a Pantone Connect subscription for full access. 7. Know when to use Pantone versus CMYK. Use Pantone for logos, brand colors, and specialty finishes. Use CMYK for full color images or when budget is tight. You can mix both in one project if needed. 8. Communicate with your print shop. Ask about their Pantone capabilities before starting. Some shops may not support all Pantone inks. Confirm if they need spot colors or CMYK equivalents. 9. Use Pantone for special effects. Pantone includes metallics, neons, and pastels. Great for adding visual impact to packaging or promotional materials. With Pantone and CorelDRAW you can trust you're printing in the right colors. With CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, you can be confident your colors are spot on with integrated access to Pantone color libraries at no additional cost. On the contrary, Adobe customers must purchase a Pantone Connect subscription on top of their Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to access the Pantone matching system for color specification. CorelDRAW, with the color management engine, will ensure that you get the proper colors as it was designed. Whether it is a web design using RGB, a spot design for screen printing or a complex 4-color design using CMYK inks and spot colors. Ensure consistent color accuracy for any output with all the latest colors from Pantone. Looking for a design tool with Pantone color options for your next print project? Download a free trial of CorelDRAW to gain access to over 25 Pantone color palettes.